Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Leo. So please see your placements for Sun, Moon, Rising. Also remember these are general messages, so they may or may not resonate with everyone. If you want a more in-depth understanding, please see your Sun, Moon, Rising messages. Rising is your ascendant sign. Let's see what is going to happen with our lovely Leos in the month of September. The first card that I have from you, my lovely Leos, is the Nine of Swords. The next card we have is the Hierophant, followed by the Ten of Swords, and at the bottom of the deck we have the Chariot card. So a lot of you, what I am seeing is that situation has been stressful in the past. For many of you, it might be in regards to your education, it might be in regards to your marriage, it might be in regards to whatever degree that you are studying, or whatever formal institution that you are involved in. Now when I say formal institution, it means that it could also be your work, but I do see there was a lot of anxiety, there was a lot of stress, and you were struggling, you were literally struggling with whatever it was that was going on. And what has happened is that situation has come to an end. So if it was your marriage, I do see divorce happening. If it was your work, I do see things are not working, and there could be chances that you are being let go or you are just resigning by yourself. If it was a relationship and you thought this relationship could move into something, what is happening right here is that that relationship isn't working. I do see no communication happening, and there's a lot of pressure. So there is external pressure to perform, there's external pressure to keep things going, to keep the momentum going, to perform, because the Hierophant to me represents society, and it represents the pressure of the society on how we should do things, or how we should perform in our day-to-day life. And because there's a lot of pressure going on, you have basically died. So emotionally, physically, you might be dead, you might be tired, you might be at the situation where you just can't move on. And the Chariot card here is telling me that despite all this happening, you guys are super strong. You guys have this ability where you are able to see 5 years in the future, and you do know, you kind of realize that this is where you want your life to go, and whatever has happened is not the end. It's actually the start to a amazing new beginning, to amazing new things that are coming your way. Let's see a couple of cards to see what is the future looking like for my lovely Leos, or what the future is going to bring for my lovely Leos. Let's see what sort of good news is coming towards my Leos. All right, for many of you, if you are looking for a relationship, I do see a new start, but I feel like whatever has happened, somehow it's going to have an impact on your relationship. Like you'll feel scared, you feel not so sure about your intentions, or in regards to the entire situation. So many of you, I do see, if this is a relationship that has failed, you are going to dip your feet again into the dating world, and it's going to happen very very quickly, and you're going to have this very childlike innocent energy of moving towards new things, and you're going to be very grounded about it. So you're going to be very practical, you're going to be very grounded about your feelings, and you're not going to rush into anything. But I do see you bumping into somebody who may have like a very strong fire sign qualities, and I do see a lot of passion. For many of you, I'm also seeing that this could be like sort of like a revenge, a sex sort of thing, or this could be just to get over whatever this thing that has happened in your life. You're going to sleep with somebody, so that idea of sleeping around, I do see it happening. And what's happening with the Three of Swords is that because you have this loving energy, you might have thought that whatever this lays, or whoever this friend is that is walking into your thing, you had fears about it, and those fears are going to come true, because you're going to feel like, I don't want to get myself my heart broken again. So this is a very general reading in terms of what is going to happen with my lovely Leos. All I'm saying from these cards is there is a potential that you're going to get hurt again, because you're going to be jumping into something very very quickly to get over whatever has happened in the past. So I'm going to put these cards away, and now I'm going to draw the cards. I'm going to put them here in the corner. Let's see what is happening in your career. What good news, or let's just see the general messages for your career first. All right. Oh my God, you are doing absolutely amazing in your career. So I don't think, your career is suffering. I do see you are doing well. You're getting the recognition, and you're also getting choices. So finally, if you are waiting for the ultimate career in your life, I do see that career coming towards you, and I do see you actively manifesting this change, actively looking towards this change and this growth. I do see the support of somebody. This could be your boss, or you might actually plan to start a partnership business with your person. uh, it could be a new person, or you may already have a business partnership with your spouse or with your partner or with your boyfriend, whatever it is. But it could also be starting it with a friend. But you guys do have this option where you are going to make a choice very, very quickly. It could be to move to a different team, to work with somebody else, but I do see it happening. um for some of you, I do see travel, not for all, but if you guys have been waiting for visa, if you guys have been waiting to travel abroad, I do see it happening. There could be delays, but it's definitely going to happen for you guys. The next card that I have for you is Sun. So a lot of positivity when it comes to your career, guys. Many of you might also be dealing with multiple jobs. You could be doing two things at the same time, and you're just like, yeah, I just want to do it, like I want to figure it out. So you might start with one thing, and then you might venture into other one, and this is good because you're progressing. From having one source of income, I do see two sources of income coming in. This is also telling me that there are chances that you guys may have to balance your income. So I understand income is coming. You might have recently started a new job that is giving you income, but this income does not equate with the kind of expenses you have on hand. So you might want to be sure about that. And by mistake, I had called this card the Sun card, and the Sun card has shown up. So guys, you are doing absolutely amazing in your career. It may not be the same case in your personal life, but definitely it's happening in your career. There is growth, there is good growth, but the only thing I'm going to tell you, because of lot of pentacles energy coupled with the energy of the Leo card or the Throne card, it talks about patience. It talks about taking things very, very slowly. So definitely you are going to get a promotion this month, um, or within the next 6 months. That's what I'm seeing. I am seeing, if you look at these cards right here, so you have the Two of Lovers, and then you have the Two of Pentacles. So I do feel like you may have to make a choice between your career and your personal life, because the Lover represents something that you love, and with the Pentacles, I'm seeing the focus is on building material wealth. So you guys might be evaluating two options. So one job could be something that you really, really want to do or like to do, and the other could be something that's going to bring you money. So yeah, pay attention to that. Take decisions based on what is good for your overall future, but at the same time, something that is going to give you joy. Let's see what other messages we have. We have Two of a Theme. So still a lot of confusions, a lot of negotiation. You guys may have to negotiate when it comes to your job, but I do feel like with the Queen of Pentacles energy, um, I think whatever it is, you are going to grow it. You're going to grow it into a pretty big thing, and you're going to be very, very happy about it. Yeah, and I think life is just going to take you in a flow. Like whatever path you are on, you are destined to be on this path. So the universe is actually pushing you to be on this path, because this is how you are going to be leading your future into the Seven of Pentacles. And Seven of Pentacles is when you're working really hard, and with the Eight of Pentacles, you start reaping the benefits of whatever it is that you have done. Now if you take a closer look over whatever cards you've pulled, you'll see like the majority of the cards that you have pulled are actually Pentacles card, which means that I see material wealth coming towards you. It may not happen at the pace that you expect it to happen, like super duper quickly, quickly, but I do see it definitely happening for you. You are going to get material wealth, you are going to make money, and you're going to be pretty good at making money. So don't worry about it. um Things might be stuck a little, but I'm not seeing them stuck. Like from career wise, you guys are doing absolutely great. Overall the energy does state that, you know, there is some kind of stressful situation. It might be in your personal life, but career wise, I think you guys are doing amazingly well. Let's see from Monology deck what messages we have. You are very close to achieving your goals. See, a new start is coming. Oh my god, guys, it's time to release negativity. So you do have to let go of something. With the Scorpio energy, I do see a major transformation happening for you guys. It okay. So because this is, you know, for Leo sign, so I'm going to give you like a very quick prediction in terms of what's going to happen. Okay, there is going to be a massive transformation in your house. Either you are renovating your house, you are moving your house, something is breaking apart in your house, or there is some kind of like, you know, the situation at home is very, very stressful. Why? Because you are undergoing change. Something new is definitely happening in your home. And with that, your eighth house by default is also activated. And when your eighth house gets activated, okay, if you want to move abroad, I am also seeing chances of you moving abroad because the Scorpio sign is activated. So massive transformations are happening. Do pay close attention to your mother's health this month, my lovely Leos. Let's see from Romance Angels what kind of messages we have for you. The first card that I have for you is give your relationship a chance. Remember where there was no communication, we had the 10 of swords somewhere. Yeah, these were your cards. So something is definitely happening for you. The next card that I have for you is very soon. So whatever you're wishing for is going to happen very soon. If you're waiting for a divorce, I do see it happening very soon. So and if you're hoping, I'm not seeing I'll be honest, I'm not seeing reconciliation for many of you. I do understand, you know, it's telling you to give your relationship a chance, but my advice to you would be to give it a practical look. Like, take a helicopter view of your relationship. And the next card that I have for you is trust. So trust that this situation is going to be over. Trust that you are going to be in a better place moving forward. And yeah, it does seem like a pretty good reading to me. Do let me know if this reading resonates, and don't forget to check your other readings.